What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to Josh's shop at Ackerman Auto Clinic. We're going to check out a car that we haven't really been covering. It's Dakota's car. If you have been with us from the start, it was like the second video we ever did where we went over Dakota's car, the red hatch, the Civic. So his motor is almost in the car. I think they're about to get there now. I just got it back from work, so I'm gonna go check out and see what they got going on over there and hopefully fire this thing up. So we're gonna do a little update on his car. So I'm heading over there now. All right, so I'm over to Josh's house. It was actually the next day because Dakota went fishing instead, but here we are. I'm gonna go in. For those who don't remember, Dakota's car was in the first video. Actually, no, second video. When we went over and covered everything. But he's wrenching on the motor here.
What's up?
What's up? I got a little thing on my thing here. Yeah, it's finally coming together. It'll be in what, today, tomorrow?
Probably
Something
tomorrow.
like that?
Just
Probably
waiting on
tomorrow.
motor mounts.
Okay, cool. All right, so last time we saw this, it was a couple videos ago, basically in a bare block and a bunch of pieces and all the parts out in the car, like in the back of the car. So what have you done since then? It seems like you assembled it pretty much.
Yeah, I got the pistons back from the machine shop, got the crank back. And yeah, just been assembling it from there.
Nice, nice. So pretty much timing just got done by Josh there. We just got the timing done. Cleaning up a lot of stuff here and waiting on motor mounts.
Yep.
Motor mounts are gonna come today. It's gonna happen, they're gonna be here. I don't really have faith, I'm just saying that to make them feel better, but you know. And then once that's here, put the rest of it together and throw it in the car.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. We got one of Josh's newest additions. Got the truck over here. Just got the wheels powder coated. It looks good. Super shiny right now. Whew. Yeah, I like that color. I'm just going for a bath. So I was just telling Dakota he has to paint his car, wrap his car his color. Shine the light on. Come on, that looks good.
It does look good.
I like that. I didn't realize how much sparkle it had.
Yeah.
You can see
It looks good.
It's hard to see in the camera. But yeah, no. That should happen. I think that should happen.
I think it should too.
And then nitrous. Are you still doing nitrous?
I'm still doing nitrous.
You better be doing nitrous.
Gonna break in
Nice.
the engine first and drive it around a little bit. And
Yeah. There you go.
send it.
What kind of shot? How big?
The biggest I want to do is 150.
150.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
that is a lot.
That is a lot on a Honda. You're gonna need some tires.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Gonna need a
yeah,
drag pack for that.
I definitely need some tires.
Get on that big tire gang.
Yeah. Yeah,
Nice.
I plan on doing it already, actually.
Nice. Sweet.
Like,
So if we get 5 comments down below telling Dakota to powder coat this, we have to powder coat it. Come on, I think that's a good deal. Powder coat it this color,
I'll do it.
then that forces him to make the car that color.
I'll do it.
All right, so you heard me. 5 comments down below. Mark, I know you're gonna comment, so we need 4 more. 4 more plus Mark. And we're gonna powder coat this. Boom. Valve cover's on. It's getting there. I don't know if those motor mounts are coming, dude. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, until 8 p.m. So maybe they'll be here. Who knows?
Who does know? Because I do not.
Nobody. All right, so it's been quite a few days. Last time, yeah, you just saw in the video, we did all that maintenance stuff, got the motor assembled, and then went to put it in the car, and I got coronavirus. So I wasn't able to actually see them put the motor in. But he's got the motor in now. Pop the hood. Let's see. Got the side exit going too. That looks good. You got it in pretty quickly, right?
Yeah.
Like it didn't take that long to get it put in.
A couple
Oh, you still got it labeled.
Yeah. Still got it labeled.
Still got it labeled. It just happened. Nice. We got to paint that for sure. We got to do that on that.
Match it, yeah.
And then there's the side exit.
Yep.
Popping right out the side. How loud is it now?
It's not as loud as I thought it would be.
No. Is it like?
Be a lot louder.
Is it like the same as it was or no?
I think so, but it was coming out the back, so it just seemed quieter.
Yeah, now it's like right here.
Yeah.
I just rode in Emiliano's car today, and his is on passenger side, and it's just like, he's like, oh, it doesn't even fume, and then I stuck my head out, I'm like, oh, you need a tune, man. You got new motor mounts too?
Yep.
Nice. Oh yeah, we were waiting on it.
Yep.
I just said that in the video. It's been like 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks, right? Longer.
Longer.
Oh, yeah. 13 in the morning. Nice. So we'll take it around the block. You're just waiting on a tune, right?
I'm waiting on a Honda S300 V3 and a new ECU.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot. You bought the ECU? No, you bought Honda.
And a new ECU.
And you're waiting on it.
Yeah.
Again, a lot of waiting.
Yeah.
It's Corona time.
Yeah.
All right, let's go drive it. This is a very deep bucket. Like, it is deep. I almost killed myself getting in.
Yeah.
All right, fire up. Got the little switch panel here. It's quite the process.
Yeah.
It's like launching a spaceship or something.
Yeah.
Got the big old mirror here. You can see everybody. Works like a charm. You just gotta switch them, right?
Yep.
Sweet. So I don't know if you guys caught this car before. Like, this was like the second video we ever made. I mentioned that before in this video, but yeah, she's stripped out, lightweight. What is the motor again? B18?
It's a B18 B1 black with a B16 A2 head.
Okay. Nice. How much power do you think it makes on the motor?
Oh, I have no idea. Can't even give you a rough estimate.
180? 200? 180?
Hopefully 200. Hopefully over 200.
That wouldn't be bad. And then we got the spray coming. It actually is quieter. I feel like it's quieter now than it was. I don't know. It's pretty loud still.
It's pretty loud.
It's pretty loud on that side. And it doesn't help that we have no interior, so we're a little rattly because of that. But no, it sounds good. It actually sounds better than I thought it was going to sound. No offense.
Yeah,
but you know how Hondas get a little raspy, so.
Wait till I get in VTEC. It sounds like a street light.
Yeah. Guy's flying. See if we can give it a little. So there you saw it. We're gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see this car in Mexico soon on nitrous, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.